Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how to use a button to teleport it to a different location in Fortnite Battle Royale. So you will need a button and a teleporter. This is all you need for this tutorial. So I will be using a bus as the button to teleport to the city as an example, but you can do whatever you want. So grab the button, put it wherever you want, there, then go in the settings and just copy what I do. So this is optional, this is time, the team that you want to interact with, time to trigger, player set, trigger sound optional. For this tutorial I'm going to be doing, let's try it out. So we have our button, teleport to city, and boom, it works. And now you can click this button for how many times you want. This could be for like mini games. Many games have this, and yeah. So if you hope you enjoyed this video, subscribe, give a like, turn the notification bell on, and comment below what videos do you want me to post. Bye!